Would you build a ship when there's no rain, when the sky is clear, and the world laughs at you? That's what Noah did. For years he worked on an ark. No clouds, no thunder, just faith. He faced doubt, mockery, and loneliness. But Noah trusted a promise no one else could see. And then, the skies broke. Raindrops became rivers. The world that mocked him began to drown in its disbelief. But inside that wooden ark, one man's obedience became humanity's survival. Faith isn't about proof. It's about preparation. Sometimes God asks you to build before there's any sign of rain, because when the storm comes, it'll be too late to start. Believe before you see, that's real courage.